Welcome back to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using these services. In today's digital landscape, online privacy and security are more important than ever. With cyber threats lurking around every corner, protecting your sensitive information is crucial. Two popular VPN services that frequently come up in this conversation are NordVPN and ExpressVPN. You can find links to both services in the description: https://nordvpn.com and https://www.expressvpn.com. Both offer robust features designed to safeguard your online activities and data. They employ strong encryption protocols to mask your IP address, effectively shielding your browsing history and online identity from prying eyes. Whether you're concerned about hackers on public Wi-Fi or simply want to bypass geo-restrictions on streaming content, a VPN can offer a solution. While both NordVPN and ExpressVPN present appealing options, they each possess distinct advantages and characteristics that might make one a better fit for your individual needs. Factors such as server locations, connection speeds, and pricing structures can influence your decision. It's recommended to thoroughly research each service and perhaps even take advantage of free trials or money-back guarantees before committing to a long-term subscription. Ultimately, selecting the right VPN hinges on your specific requirements and priorities when it comes to online security and privacy.